Salamat po naman sa Diyos. Bagamat very challenging yung sitwasyon kagabi sa ulan at baha, ay wala pa namang reported na casualty sa amin. But then again, ay papasalamat din ako sa ating Superintendent Nerissa, because as of 6:30 p.m. kagabi, when we had our CDRRMO emergency meeting to prepare the incoming malakas na ulan, we were allowed to utilize 104 schools. Usually kasi meron kaming evacuation site lang. But that is limited. But the data na nakita natin through Pag-asa and our NDRRMO internal meteorologists, talagang malaki yung buhos ng tubig. And we've been monitoring Marikina River. At the time, 6:30, 7 o'clock, nasa level 2. So those water will end up here in Manila. So with that, we inform our barangay officials in the entire city to use our schools para immediate lang, katulad itong mga nakikita ninyo, mga taga rito lang sila. So we don't have to transfer them somewhere else. So paglihupa na ang lahat ng mga, balik na sila sa kanya-kanya. Naganda ng hot meal ang ating direktor at sa po ng aming mga kawani sa MDSW, at meron pa silang food box later na makukuha nila sa syudad. And we are hoping tumigil na ito, but we're still monitoring the weather.